Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get some money from Google Opinion Rewards, how to upload your receipt and get some money for that action. So first thing first, you should download the app and install and register your account through your Google account. Then you have two options. The first one is to forward a receipt from your email. So if you buy something online or you get your receipts on your email, you just go to your email, same email that you use for the Google Opinion Rewards, and just click on forward button and place that email address on the type bar and send your receipt to Google. And the second one, you can just upload your receipt. So I have my receipt from McDonald's, so I will take a photo of it. Just give me a second, please. So you'll see my receipt is uploading, then checking. So that's completed. My receipt was on $11.21. Then just wait until upcoming payout on January 3rd, and you get your money. So also you can upload more. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.